everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I brought you for new topic which is soft skills. Everyone knows what is the meaning of soft skills. You don't know, so please stick my video till the end because in this video helpful for learner. Sometimes what happens, we are struggling related to communication skills. Yes, communication skills means soft skills. Yes, but sometimes what happens, we want to communicate people, but that times we have fear. That times we regret ourselves. We don't know how to speak in a single sentence. I'm not talking about Hindi. I'm not talking about English. I'm talking about both languages, even mother tongue also. What happens? We don't have good at communication skills. So sometimes what happens? We regret ourselves. Oh my God! I don't know how to talk people. So how to build our communication skills? Yes. Whenever you will go for conversation, any kind of conversation related to random talk, related to any kind of topic, so that times what happens, first you listen very carefully. While you are listening very carefully, so that times you know what she delivered. So that times catch up any kind of topic. Like suppose I'm giving my introduction, and then that time I mention my hobby. I love cooking, I love reading, and I love dancing. So that times you listen very carefully, yeah, Lavanya, you know how to dance? Yeah, Lavanya, you know how to cook food? Wow, what kind of book you want to read? And what kind of genre? Please suggest me. So these kind of, so that times you are, you know, your conversation, it's like more attractive. So these kind of, you catch up any kind of hobby. So that times you ask, oh wow, so what kind of book? Please suggest me. I want to also. And what kind of food you recommend? I want to learn food. Can you teach me? So these kind of, so it's helpful for you. But sometimes what happens, there is no any friends, there is no any member to talk. So what we will do? This is your question. Yes. So I will give one example, which is me. Because to be honest, there is no any friends to talk. And even there is no any surround to talk in English. But what happened? I want to learn English. So, every day I record my session. In a beginning time, so that times while I record session, so that times I feel hesitant. I feel nervousness. And that times I told myself, I don't want to record myself. But that times I told also, I want to learn English. So how to learn English? So that times I told, obviously Lavanya, you want to learn English, so please, at least 2 minutes, 3 minutes, at least 5 minutes, you record yourself every day. I am giving also to you guys. Every day you record yourself. In a beginning time, that time's hard to record. So 3 minutes and again second day 5 minutes and third day 10 minutes, and you are habitual because while we are maintaining our consistency, so that times we are habitual to record our session. So what kind of benefit? This is your question. So yes, we have benefit, and there is number of benefit here. When you will record your session, so that times you know what kind of mistake you did, and you also that times you know what you are lacking, you know everything. Yes, I am lacking this kind of. So this is helpful for you guys. And why I'm telling, and we are talking about communication skills. Sometimes what happen, I already mentioned, like we are good at Hindi. I will give another example related to me. Suppose I have one client and she wants to any kind of service, and she has perspective like I want to spend only 1,000 rupees. I don't want to go for like 1,200, 1,300. I want to spend only 1,000 rupees. But I'm a good beautician. I'm owner of the salon. So this is my perspective. Like she wants to spend only 1,000 rupees. But this is not my perspective. What my perspective? My perspective, I want to earn 1,300, 1,500. So how to communicate client? So it's helpful for me because you are a good communicator. So first of all, you engage, and that times you absorb what she wants to and how to manipulate people. This is the communication skills. And what about body posture? Like you have good body posture, gesture, so that times you easily attract people. So that's why I'm calling again and again, when you will go for conversation and when you will go communicate another people, so that time first you listen properly. And first of all, whenever you talk, so that times hand gesture and hand, whenever you talk, so that time facial expression also matter. Sometimes you are talking serious talk, and sometimes what happen, like I am giving examples, so sometimes like a serious talk and sometimes like a funny, and funny also, like people want to listen funny, whenever you will give speech, so that time sometimes like emotional story, and sometimes you will give funny incidents, you will give related to any kind of funny speech, so that times people want to, you attract more people. Why I'm saying this? Just because we don't know what is the communication skill. Yes, communication skills means people को engage करके रखना अपने आप. This is the communication skills. I already mentioned, अगर आप हिंदी मीडियम से हो, लाइक आपको हिंदी पता है, आपको मदर टंग पता है, आपको इंग्लिश पता है, ये मैटर नहीं करता है. पीपल जो हमारे साथ है उसको कैसे अपने आप को पकड़ के रखना, होल्ड करके रखना है. दैट इज द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. गॉट इट? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सेलिब्रिटी. एवरीवन wants to listen celebrity speech. You think why they want to listen? Just because sometimes they storytelling. When you will give storytelling, you can say when you will give your speech related to any kind of story, related to like I'm a belongs to poor family and now I'm a very big and I'm very rich family just because I did my lot of effort. So these kind of you are engaged, when you will go stay, so that times you engage people, so that times listen your voice. This is my perspective. This is the communication skills, and you are good at communication skills, so you attract more people. Just because while you are giving, while you are delivered any kind of speech, so first of all, how to know other perspective. Like मैं कैसे ऐसे बात करूं जिससे मेरे बातों को लेकर के उलझ जाए और मेरा ही सब कुछ देखे. This is the communication skills. And they want to listen, sometimes what happen, we have friends group, and there is one guy and there is one girl, and she speak very fluently. I am talking about English and Hindi, and sometimes she cracks joke also. So that times we want to listen more and more. Why we want to listen? Because that times we enjoy her one words. Why we are enjoy? Just because we want to listen. Just because she gives related to funny incidents. She give related to funny incidents related to any kind of see whenever we listen, so that times we want to more and more listen, just because everyone want to listen funny joke, and you also guys you want to, so please walk you yourself and you watch related to any kind of video what kind, so it's helpful for you. And whenever you have free time, so please read what kind of book you want to, you are related to, like sometimes what happen, we want to listen, we want to listen related to motivational, so it's helpful for our, and we want to related to any kind of, we are a funny person, so we want to listen funny type, so that times simultaneously you listen and simultaneously you make video, so it's helpful for you guys. And why made this video, just because of you. If you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर.